In this video, I will show you how to change the batteries on a Kwikset Smart Lock. The procedures to change the batteries on this particular Kwikset Smart Lock is the same regardless of the model. So what you see here applies to other models. Now, you might be inclined to think you have to remove these screws here on either side of the lock. In fact, you don't have to. All you have to do is push this cover up. So you can see my status light is dead, and if I push the buttons, no light comes on. So obviously, it's a good indication that the battery is dead. Again, don't take these screws on either side. We're going to remove it by pushing this cover up like I did here. Once you remove that cover, you'll see the battery pack. You can go ahead and just pull up on the battery pack, and then you're going to see that there is 4 AA batteries, and basically what you're going to do is grab fresh batteries and put them in the same way. Once they're in the battery pack here, you're going to slide it into the lock, and you're going to hear some kind of beeping sound telling you that it sees the new batteries. And there you heard it. And basically, once that's done, you're going to go ahead and test it. Make sure that the lock closes and opens. And here you can see that it does. And then you're going to go ahead and put the cover back the same way by sliding it down this time. And that's all there is to it. Really easy to do, really simple. So this particular Kwikset is the Kwikset Aura. It's a Bluetooth lock. So you're going to get more battery life out of a Bluetooth lock than a wireless lock. So this is not really considered a smart lock because it only operates with Bluetooth. But I got about 11 months with the Duracell batteries. The manufacturer claims that it's anywhere from 10 to 12 months. So I would say it is in line with what the manufacturer is saying. But if you have a smart lock with more advanced features with wireless, you're probably not going to get 11 months, and this is one of the reasons why I chose the Kwikset Aura, because I knew it was going to give me almost a year. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If it's been helpful, put a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.